Is your car blowing out thick black smoke like it's trying to start a barbecue? That's not just embarrassing. It's your engine crying for help. And if you ignore it, your wallet's next in line to suffer. We're not talking about a haunted car or bad luck. We're talking about science and smart fixes that can save you hundreds. Today on Auto Repair, Automobile Wrench, we're breaking down 5 real reasons your car is spitting black smoke and how to stop it before it wrecks your engine or your budget. 1. Clogged air filter. Think of your engine like a set of lungs. If it can't breathe, it chokes. A dirty air filter blocks airflow, and your engine ends up burning way too much fuel. That imbalance? Boom, black smoke, especially when you hit the gas. 2. Bad MAF sensor, mass airflow. This little sensor measures how much air enters your engine. If it's giving bad data, your car dumps in too much fuel, thinking it needs more than it really does. The result? A fuel-rich mess and that dreaded smoke trail. 3. Faulty EGR valve. Your exhaust gas recirculation valve is supposed to reduce emissions by recycling some exhaust back into the engine. But if it fails, that balance is off, leading to heavy smoke and heavier repair bills if you don't act fast. 4. Leaky or clogged fuel injectors. Injectors are like precision chefs, measuring the perfect amount of fuel. When they're dirty or worn out, they either flood your engine or spray unevenly. Either way, it's smoke city. 5. Clogged fuel filter. No fuel equals no combustion. Incomplete combustion equals black smoke. A blocked fuel filter starves your engine, forcing it to work harder and dirtier. Now, if you're seeing any black smoke from your exhaust, don't wait. Catching it early can mean the difference between a $20 fix and a $2,000 disaster. Want to know which of these issues you can actually fix yourself without a shop visit? We've got a full guide coming up in our next video. Hammer and wrench, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. Because on Auto Repair, Automobile Wrench, we don't just fix cars, we help you drive smarter, save money, and stay in control.